Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. If you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in the lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a local trade 2004 Ford Explorer, 175,000 miles on it, and this seems to be like a pretty okay truck. But we want to give the public the opportunity to purchase it before we send it off to the auction. So we took a bunch of pictures of it. We're going to do a full video walk around to show you what this truck's all about, and hopefully someone comes in and purchases it, because I guarantee it won't be here long. As you see, the front bumper does have some fading or some chipping of the paint coming off, but the bumper is intact, which that's the nice thing about it. The hood's in good shape, no rust up on the top, no dents actually at all. It seems like a pretty nice hood. Same with the side, and the tires seem to be in good shape. I was going to show you that. I turned the tire here. I'd say the tread depth is 75% on that. It's got a nice factory alloy wheel. I believe it's a 16-inch rim. Those are factory running boards right there. Ford factory ones. Overall, pretty nice unit for the money. If you're looking for just a cheaper car, this may be the one for you. It drives down the road, it shifts okay. A little rust starting right there on the rear, above the rear tire on the passenger side. But that's about the only spot I can see on it. Oh, here's another one. Right there on there, a little bit of rust, not much, but overall just a really fairly good condition, older used SUV. I also checked the power locks. They all do work. The power windows, they all do work. Does have leather seating. It's a little worn on the driver's seat right there, but it is a leather seat. Everything seems to be intact around here on the dash. The radio, turn the heat down. Radio does work. The heat comes out, seems to be blowing hot, which is nice. Driver's seat also, or passenger seat has a little wear on the outside there too. The floorboard under here seems to be in good condition, very good condition actually. It's not stained up, not ripped up, not tore up. Got a center console here. Everything's working, that's not broke, it's actually still intact. Yeah, if you're looking for a cheap SUV, this is definitely a decent one. They're hard to find these cheap SUVs anymore, especially that actually run and shift going down the road. And this one does all that. Leather seating in the back. Look at this floor. That is in really good condition. So overall, just a really nice vehicle. So if you're looking for a cheap SUV, this may be the one for you. It's a 2004 Ford Explorer. Overall, pretty good condition. Power windows, they work. Power locks, they work. 175,000 miles. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one. Because like this, for example, it's a brand new arrival. I guarantee you won't last here long. So if you want to be assured you see them before anybody else, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of this unit, go to our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.